Imagine a car so rare, its heart beats with one of the most powerful and exclusive V8 engines ever created. Let's dive into the story of the Koenigsegg 1-to-1. Iconic models like the Mercedes-AMG C63S and Porsche Panamera have ditched their V8 for smaller hybridized powertrains. But one engine stands defiant in the face of this trend, an engine that's as rare as it is powerful. The Koenigsegg 1-to-1 with 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8. This story begins with the Swedish hypercar manufacturer Koenigsegg and their second-generation model, the Agera. Launched in 2010, the Agera was a mid-engine marvel, powered by a Koenigsegg-developed 5.0-liter V8. Over the years, the Agera evolved into various iterations, but none as extraordinary as the 1-to-1. A car designed to be the world's first mega car with a power-to-weight ratio of 1-to-1. What makes the 1-to-1 engine so special? For starters, Koenigsegg built only 7 of these hypercars, including a single prototype that was eventually sold. The 5.0-liter V8 engine in the 1-to-1 wasn't just any engine. It was tuned to produce an astonishing 1,341 horsepower, equivalent to 1 megawatt of power. This, combined with the car's feather-light 1,360 kilograms weight, gave it a power-to-weight ratio that no other production car could match. Unlike the hybrid hypercars of its time, the Ferrari LaFerrari, McLaren P1, and Porsche 918 Spider, the 1-to-1 remained purely mechanical, relying solely on its monstrous twin-turbo V8. And it wasn't just about raw power. The engine was a masterpiece of engineering, lightweight, compact, and capable of running on both high-octane gasoline and E85. Thanks to its flex-fuel design. The 1-to-1 wasn't just a straight-line rocket either. It could reach 186 miles per hour in a blistering 11.9 seconds. On the track, it was equally formidable, lapping the Spa-Francorchamps faster than a Porsche 911 GT3 RS.